Meet the grooviest tree in the forest. With branches like these, it's either dancing or doing the world's silliest wave. Are you ready to grow your very own dancing tree? Let's start at the top. With a big squishy oval, this is where our tree's head will be. And what's next? Oh yes, a few lines down to give our tree a trunk, so it can stand tall and proud. And don't forget the ground. Draw a few lines to show where this tree is planted. Now, let's define the top part, also known as the tree crown. And no, not the royal kind, it's where all the leaves like to hang out. Speaking of hanging out, let's give our tree some arms. Draw the right branch sticking out like it's waving hello. And we can't forget to add a few leaves, of course. Now, for a smaller left branch, it's a bit shy. Only one leaf, but still fabulous. Add in some final details here and there, but don't forget Scribble Peeps. We're just getting started on this awesome adventure. If you want to keep exploring fun drawing journeys with us, subscribe and hit that bell. Exciting surprises are on the way. Now let's grab our marker. It's time to go bold. We'll start with the canopy, where the leaves unfold. A cut-off branch collar. What a curious space. It's almost like a sleeve, but in the wrong place. Now trace that long branch, reaching out to the right. It's dancing with the wind. What a joyful sight. Add some lines to the trunk, right up here and down to the ground, and add a few leaves as they flutter around. Draw the ground below, where our tree roots run deep. It's nestled in the soil, where it can rest and sleep. Let's add a small branch, on the left with one leaf. It's part of the fun, and it's beyond belief. Let's finish the collar, adding leaves here and there, then trace lines on the trunk to give it some character and flair. Now it's time to think of colors. Which one will you choose? A vibrant green for the leaves, or perhaps some warm hues? Here is my beautiful dancing tree. If you're wondering where to find more free and fun videos like this, just visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye.